Hello everybody. In this video, we are going to be learning how to make quick do-it-yourself projects and keepsakes to just give people. We know this is the time of the season where you start giving gifts, but wouldn't it be wonderful to just be able to give a gift any time of the year, no matter what season or holiday it is? Well, let's start today. All right, so what you're going to need today is a enthusiastic group of people that's going to help you. Your material you're going to need you some cardboard, just a few sheets that you're going to paint on, some frames or some picture frames. We're going to use matches because we're dealing with light today, and a paintbrush because we're going to be painting. We want to be creative. This is the paint we're going to use. We're going to use a nice little matte white acrylic paint. Of course, you're going to need your plate and your scripture. We're going to use a scripture, but you can use like a love note or a picture that you just draw. Just be as creative as you can because you want people to hang these up on the wall. Let's get our paint going. And of course, I had the children painting, and they got it everywhere. So that's why we got a piece of paper under there. Please make sure you take care of your tables. Since they were acting too pretty with that paintbrush, we just decided to just use fingers because, I mean, your fingers are your best tool. Make sure you get the edges. If you have a piece of cardboard that has darkness on or black or anything, just keep on caking and packing that paint on there. Your whole thing is to cover the whole board up, just like this picture here. Keep going. And we are creating a canvas. While your paintings or while your canvas is drying, go ahead and start designing your picture of what you're going to be drawing. Just like when you write a paper or something, you proofread and you draw what's it called? You write something. I forgot what it's called. Yes, you write a draft. So what you're doing right now is you're just drafting what you're going to put on your board. Now that everything has dried, go ahead and take your time to just draw what you put on there. Oh, please be careful for unexpected visitors coming in, taking stuff. While the children were painting and drawing, I went on and colored the matchbox, whited it out, get all the background off, because we're going to turn that into a picture, a part of the picture. And I'm quite sure we don't want just a big old thing of matches put on our pictures. Oh, and make sure you don't get any on the stripe part because it won't work. This is the string that we put on the back of the frames. I pasted it with, I glued it with, of course, a hot glue gun. Make sure that you put it in the correct space because you don't want your pictures looking all lopsided on the wall. So put your glue your string on there. It can't go wrong, but just take your time. Here's one of the pictures that we did. We had to do a test drive to see if our glue could even hold, and so far it looks pretty good. See how we had to change that matchbox? We painted over it to make it a piece of the portrait. Gotta be creative. All right, and these are the end results. I guess they seem excited about their pictures. Mr. Tate, can we see yours? It's very creative. Jaden, you got a lot going on here. Looks very good. So after you finish with your beautiful artwork, you can wrap them up or just give it to people. And well, of course they want to see you put your stuff on, you put your to and froms on the back. So after you finish, you can give it to everyone and make their day, and they can just be so happy. All right, that's the end of this episode. Bye. Do it yourself with JacQ. Until next time.